If he jacking the G, get put on the T. Shoot out the V or I hop out the V. Either way you deceive. Why they think that they taming the beats? Like stop it, ain't no stopping me when I'm feeling it. All black masked up, bitch, I be doing shit. I'm like TG. Why these niggas always talking, but they know they don't be killing shit. He like Chase, pop out, clear the whole block out. Let's make it hot out. LV, or the force, any IC guarantee to get shot down. So I gotta move tack. One force move quick, I attack. Like, why would you diss your track? GBG baby, you know we get back. Like, oh let's do it. No rap shit deeper than music. It's amusing to me how these niggas so tough and they do shit. On the drills I go to the amusement. Any op get pumped. It was dark, all they see was a spark. Ducking and dodging, hiding behind cars. Every vato was touching the floor. Look at the stats, nigga, look at the board. Lucci just died, I think I want some more, like fuck it. Go up that click, then tuck it. Niggas claiming that shit, but ain't done it. So for that, we blitz, keep rushing. Told Lil G, don't stop, keep dumping. Keep dumping, keep dumping. Nels almost got shot in his muffin. And Chapo got hit and he still ain't do nothing.
Niggas suck my dick, every old shot. Spin a hill and I'm laying in flop. Scheme 8-0, then you getting shot. I'ma make a nigga truly pop. How you crip K? You ain't touch a low. Damien LV got hands slow. And that nigga be talking the most. Been through the limb, niggas know I ain't go. First when I see getting left by the stove. This real shit, man, this shit ain't no joke. I was outside all night with the pole. Feet West, feet A1, fuck the whole dough. 5 to the 7, the spot niggas know. DOA in the spot, it's a whole lot of pose. Niggas talking no shit they don't know. RPJ, we swear I miss his soul. Smoking all around, I don't wanna go home. I just swerving and being smoke up to the dome. Like, while I'm clutching my comb. Parked up bustin', trying to catch a O. Ayo, Kim, motherfuckers, you dissing me. Catch you in traffic, get caught, now you history. Stupid niggas always trying to mention me. Till I catch a murder in the first degree. Kids will be by my side, ain't no touching me. Pass on the knock, ain't dropping, he comfortably gang.
It became when I rushed to the spot. And I'm real slimy, you like it or not. That's if I thought white, but it's not. I'm screaming for Leo while up in the clock. He a lot, so in verse it's locked. The ladies gon' hit and start twerking a lot. I'ma hang out the window and flop. No, that's not Ricky, he's still getting shot. I'ma up on the couch when I'm spinning they strip. Yeah, chill the killer so fucking get hit. Get the fuck on my way, it starts on the wind. I'm with God, but sometimes we sin. The bullets miss him, it's not missing his friend. And I bet it's gon' sizzle his skin. Feeling treacherous, let's go split through the full for Pdot Sev, so stupid ass Mexicans. Not showing great action, they do 2 hits, get loaded Connecticut. And I'm tired of niggas running they mouth. I them down, Katie, just looking for clout.
I'ma keep smoking K to my eyes hurt. I'ma throw 5 if I running them backwards. Spin over here, you better hope your chopper. Dissing the God, you need to spin my shot first. Why y'all keep on rapping y'all outside dirt? Catch a little more, we put them on a t-shirt. We don't gotta throw back cause we throwing first. Talking on board of that nigga stuff in the hurt. Kicking they candles like fuck with they dead man. I go cool, I can shoot with my left hand. 380 on me, bet my city won't jam. How you dissing the files will be your blame. Now that niggas ain't ops, these niggas fans. LVK bitch, I'm flocking at every lamb. He got stripped, he a bitch nigga, not a man. How tips eat him up like he got a 10. Yo, Blicker, yo, Ray. If you see him, leave him on they face. Yo, Hunter, grab the cake. We gon' fuck any time of the day. He try to front, he got shot in his face. It get lit when I'm bending with Chase. TG with me got it tucked in his waist. 30s and better when we in the place. 30s and better when we in the function. So run up if you think that we bluffing. Just to keep chatting, buddy, ain't no nothing. How to tell us for that nigga muffin. I love turning nothing into something. Not gonna stay on me even if I'm bustin'. Spin the fools in the 8 and I'm dumping. Money while losing, them niggas is bluffing. Cause a bullet the dawn when you see me, salute me. Spin a lane trying to catch us a whoopie. Every time we spin, we make a movie. EJ dumping, flocking at your goofy. Op track stars, we say mooski. I can't wait till I catch Lil Bookie. Lil Rock got caught, no ooski. Up on the 7.
I been throwing on chops to these niggas with skits. How the fuck you the older nigga who you hit? And like cuz they said y'all making clips. We made movies right there on they strip. Got the knockers, now it's time to spin. I can't go out like Dusty, nigga was a bitch. I know Hunter knocking off they whiz. When he up it, he flocking niggas just to live. And that movie nigga sucking dick. Take a trip to the Bronx, I bet you he get hit. Smoking who we lurking in the whip. First op niggas see, I bet you he get flipped. And I'm smoking dummy to the face. Slide with some drip so I slide with my apes. Catch him like and shoot him in his face. Kenzo go up, better watch out for Chase. He gon' put them niggas in they place. Every op shot on them op niggas' place.